गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। मैं हूँ प्रकृति एंड बाय द टाइटल आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि ये वीडियो है किस बारे में। तो हमें बहुत सारे डीएम्स आ रहे थे, हमारे रील्स के नीचे कमेंट्स आ रहे थे, वीडियोस के नीचे कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि भाई हमें एनएलयू के बारे में बताओ। सो आई डिसाइडेड कि क्यों ना एक फुल फ्लेज डिटेल्ड एंड डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाई जाए इस टॉपिक के बारे में। सो here's the video about everything you need to know before coming to NLU, Sonipat. So let's just quickly jump into the video. So the very first question we have is, what are the important things that we need to bring along before coming to NLU Sonipat? So usually you will get a list of items that you're required to bring when you come here by the authorities itself. But still I'll tell you, ऐसे brief में बता देती हूँ कि आपको क्या क्या लेके आना होगा. So when you will enter here, you will be in your first year of college. So you will get a shared occupancy. So when you get a shared occupancy, तो सबसे पहले अगर हम curtains की बात करें, you have to get your own curtains. Either you can wait for your roommate to come and then one of you can decide कि कौन से curtain लगाना चाहेगा. Otherwise you can bring your own curtain. उनकी measurement आपको hostel authorities की तरफ से मिल जाएंगी. Secondly, you have to get your own bedding. आपको अपना खुद का मैट्रेस लेके आना पड़ेगा, बेड शीट्स, पिलोज एंड एवरीथिंग. यू विल ओनली बी प्रोवाइडेड विद अ बेड, ऐसा बेड. बाकी सब कुछ आपको खुद से ही लेके आना पड़ेगा. सेकेंडली, यू हैव टू गेट अ बकेट, अ मग. यू विल बी प्रोवाइडेड विद अ स्टडी टेबल एंड अ वुडन चेयर, अलमीरा ऑल्सो. In every room you get a private balcony. So अगर आप अपने कपड़े सुखाना चाहते हो तो you can get a nylon rope which you can tie it in your balcony और वहाँ पे अपने कपड़े सुखा सकते हो. Otherwise you can get a stand also. You need to get your own broom, dusting pan and a mop. You will have to clean your rooms by yourself. There will be sweeping helpers in the hostel, but they will only clean the corridors and the washrooms. You have to clean your own rooms by yourself, and that's it. And if I am missing out on something, you will definitely be provided with the list. तो आप उससे क्रॉस चेक कर लेना. अदरवाइज आपको कोई इससे रिलेटेड कुछ और क्वेरी है तो आपको इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में ना, आई विल डेफिनेटली आंसर योर क्वेरी देयर. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव हियर इज, आर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंसेस लाइक आयरन और केटल अलाउड? Yes, iron, kettle are allowed, but you will have to pay some fees, which is around 200 for iron per month and 250 for kettle per month. Since you will be having your roommates, तो आप में से कोई भी decide कर सकता है कि एक iron ले आएगा, एक kettle ले आएगा, and then you can share the fees. You're not required to bring heating rod. We have geysers in all the corridors. Even we have solar panels. Solar panels के through warm water आ ही जाता है taps में. So you don't need to worry about garam pani. Secondly, we have two types of rooms, AC and non-AC. Being very close to Delhi NCR, it is extremely hot in summers. So AC rooms में आपको खुद से खरीद के नहीं लेके आना होगा. There will be AC installed in your room. You just have to pay, I think it's 20,000 for a year. I'm quite not sure about the charges. Or you can opt for a non-AC room and you can buy a cooler like the one I have in my room. इसका भी आपको रेंट देना पड़ेगा. If you buy a cooler, that is 600 per month. You have to pay for the coolers. Now, if you do not want to buy a cooler, again, you have a roommate, you can share the fees or get it second hand from your seniors who are leaving, just like me. You can contact me if you need a second hand cooler because I need to sell this off. Senior से बात आती है हमारे next question की तरफ, which is, are NLU students and seniors friendly? Yes, seniors and students will be friendly to you if you are friendly to them. Well, this is nothing to do with NLU tag. हर कॉलेज में सेम ही माहौल होता है. बैचमेट्स में भले चाहे थोड़ी रिफ्ट हो, एक दूसरे को पसंद ना करें, लेकिन you can definitely approach any senior that you feel like is resonates with your ideas and you feel very comfortable with them. You can just directly go to them, approach them and get your queries cleared, doubts clear कर सकते हो आप. And if your vibe matches, you can become friends. And this is not just about an NLU. It's a college, and college में you make friends either from your own batch or from your senior batches or your junior batches. Now, if you're asking about आपके seniors help करेंगे या नहीं, so definitely seniors आपकी help करेंगे. आप किसी भी चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग उनके पास जा सकते हो. आपको कोई मूड कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, लाइफ लेसन्स के लिए आपको उनको अप्रोच करना है, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो एंड टॉक टू देम. They will surely help you. Our next question is related to hostel food. Now, this is a very hot topic that we all are facing right now in our college. Well, I'll be very honest about it. We are not getting adequate and good hostel food over here. Our mess food contractor got changed this semester, and tab se hi, like since 15th of January, we all are suffering. कोई ना कोई complaint रहती है. It is most of the time it's related to food quality, hygiene. In short, we are not satisfied with the quality of hostel mess food. But moving on to the next question that we have is, क्या वहाँ कैंटीन है? So yes, we do have canteen here. तो आपको अगर hostel mess का खाना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो आप कैंटीन में जा सकते हैं, एंड कैंटीन में जाके आपको डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फास्ट फूड तो मिल ही जाएगा. रोटी सब्जी भी मिल जाती है. अदरवाइज वी इवन हैव अ बीटा बूथ इनसाइड द कैंपस इटसेल्फ, और कैंपस के बाहर भी बहुत सारे फूड जॉइंट्स हैं, इंक्लूडिंग सम रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड कैफेज एट वेल. वहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा खाना मिलता है. सो इफ यू नॉट satisfied with the hostel mess food, you can definitely try some new food. Moving on to our next question, are hostel washroom clean and well maintained? Well, washrooms every day clean होते हैं. स्वीपर आंटीज आती हैं एंड वो वॉशरूम्स को क्लीन करती हैं. दे ट्राई देयर बेस्ट टू मेंटेन द हाइजीन ऑफ द वॉशरूम. बट see, hygiene depends on the people who uses the washroom. Now, if you have good people living in your corridor who maintain hygiene and who know how to flush things and how washroom is kept clean, then of course you will have a very amazing and smooth experience in your washroom. Otherwise आपको थोड़ी कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. Our next question is, कपड़े खुद वॉश करने पड़ते हैं क्या? Well, we do not have washing machines in the campus, and we also do not have any laundry services. Earlier we used to have laundry services, but now we do not. It's been almost a year and a half, and अभी तक कुछ सिस्टम इंस्टॉल नहीं हुआ है जिसकी वजह से आप अपने ईजिली आप अपने कपड़े वॉश करवा सको. So either you will have to wash it yourself, or there are some laundry services outside the campus. तो आप उनको बुला के उनको अपने कपड़े दे सकते हो, अब आपको कपड़े धो के दे देंगे, and of course there will be charges for it. Next question is, how often can you visit your home if you live 3 to 4 hours away? Well, as such कोई restriction नहीं है, आप कभी भी अपने घर जा सकते हो. You just need to get a home pass sign by the warden, and distance doesn't matter. It's only about your convenience कि आप कितना ज़्यादा travel कर सकते हो every weekend. As it is an off on Saturday and Sunday, most of the people leave for their home on Friday evening after classes. So you can also do that. Since it is a residential university, तो college आपसे expect करती है कि weekends पे भी आप college में रहो अगर college कुछ event organize कर रही है. तो if there is any event in the college on weekends, they will ask you to stay back and attend the event. And now moving on to the most exciting and a very strange question that I received on my Instagram story जो मैंने put up की थी, and that question was, can I find my soulmate here? Well, it's a tricky question, and this is a question I put for my audience to answer in the comment section कि क्या colleges में soulmates मिलते हैं? And with that, all of the important questions that I felt was necessary to answer, I have answered in this video. अगर मेरे से कुछ छूट गया हो तो आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में दे सकते हैं. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram as well on this ID, and I'll be happy to help. That's it for the video. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll meet in the next video. लेकिन तब तक के लिए bye bye.